Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up dual monitors on Windows. First of all, connect both monitors to your computer and make sure that both of them are plugged into the power source as well. And once you do that, all you have to do afterwards is use the shortcut of Windows button and B button pressed simultaneously, and then this will make the project tab appear on your screen, where you can change the projection type. If you select PC screen only, you will only see the image on your main monitor. If you select duplicate, you will duplicate the image from your main monitor to the other one, and if you select extend, you will actually extend your display between two monitors. So that's the option you're looking for if you want to use both monitors at once on your PC. Just use the extend option right here. And that's how you set up monitors on Windows. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.